So this is Beisfjord, close to Norway, and today we're going to check out the Beisfjord Concentration Camp from World War II. So please enjoy this trip and subscribe. Hello, I'm in Norway now, and I have visited an old camp for concentration camp from World War II. It is very close to Norway. So from 1942 to 1945, this camp was open, and it was erected for Soviet prisoners and prisoners from Yugoslavia. So here we have a memorial for Soviet prisoners, 305 prisoners in 72 graves, very astute location. So there's the memorial, so I'll just walk a little bit here. So here we have the names of all the Russian and Soviet prisoners of war, 347 of them. So the dead were moved to another county in Norway in 1951, and we have the names of 311 of them. We have some pictures of them. So it was 1600 Soviet soldiers were captive here by the Germans. 347 of them died. I have the memorial itself. So we walk a little bit into the camp itself. The last memory of this comrade was killed by the Nazis during World War II. Some ruins of the camp. Some walls only remaining. So here's a picture of the camp. So these are also prisoners from Yugoslavia. So 900 prisoners were sent here from Yugoslavia. 748 was killed by the Germans and Norwegian guards. So there are Serbs, Bosniaks, Croats and other ethnic groups. Partisans. So the largest massacre in Norway during World War II took place in this location. So in one night they killed almost 300 prisoners. And we have all the names of the 748 prisoners from Yugoslavia who died in this camp. So this was the monument was raised 1949. So here we have the monument. So over 500 Yugoslav victims for the Nazis was killed in this camp between 1942 and 1943. It was This is what remains of the camp. So there's more foundations of the walls. There's remnants of an old church. So that was the Beisfjord Concentration Camp from World War II. Important to remember this and let it not happen again. So hope you like this one, and please like and subscribe.